I've been doing YouTube this January for 5 years. That is a long, long time. Hello everyone and welcome back. So as you guys have probably noticed, I took a holiday. Now I've been doing YouTube this January for 5 years. That is a long, long time. And I thought, you know, I only get paid about £1.20 a day on YouTube. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a holiday. So I took a whole month's holiday, which of course, if you know YouTube, that means your views take a massive dive. But I think it was needed after 5 years. I've only ever taken holidays here and there, and usually I've set up videos anyway. So yeah, I needed a holiday, I took a holiday, and we're back. So, Happy New Year everyone. I hope you enjoyed your holidays. What is coming up for 2026? I thought we'd have a little chat to see how that's going to go. So yes, we are going to continue to do hats and burned hats and other bits and pieces, but this channel was never supposed to be just about hats. And if you go way back, you'll know that this channel has transitioned a few times, and we're going to bring back more art stuff. So as an artist, I have a broad variety of different sort of skills, and I want to use them on this channel instead of just doing one thing. Gone are the days where everybody tells you to niche down to one thing. Now everybody is using their skills to show everybody multiple things, which is good. I always thought niching down was, yes, good in a way, but kind of took away from artists because we were kind of being enclosed by just one thing and not getting to kind of be who we are. So I think that's a good thing. So from now on, we're going to do loads of different things as well as hats. I'm not just going to get rid of hats, don't worry, that is my business after all. But from now on, YouTube is going to be one video every 2 weeks. So you'll get 2 videos a month. The reason being, I would rather spend more time on videos for you guys and have better, longer videos than trying to rush every week getting a video out. I think that sounds fair. As well as I want to go back to spending a lot more time on my own business, because that's where I make my wages and that's how I pay my bills and put food on the table. So that is what we're going to be doing in 2026. I just wanted to come on and say hi quickly and say I appreciate all of you guys that are hanging around, even though I've been gone for a month. But I am back, and if you know me, I do stick around. So thanks guys. Enjoy the rest of your holidays if you're on holiday, and I will see you in 2 weeks for the first brand new video of 2026 where we're going to do some cool art stuff. So thanks for coming and hanging out. Make sure to subscribe and like, hit the hype button, and I will see you guys in 2 weeks.